674 Dookie, you just call me up. I'm gonna do something good for you.
He gonna fix some things for you.
I'm gonna I'm gonna come over there and fix some stuff for you.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You better get.
I am still in the middle of a full-blown renovation of this early 1960s ranch-style home. And this week, I have brought in my favorite handyman with a plan to help me tackle the guest bathroom. This bathroom has not been touched since the house was built in 1963. The walls, the floor, and the countertop were all covered in tile that was adhered with concrete and metal mesh. The foundation of this house has shifted so badly that it literally caused the plumbing underneath the bathtub to disconnect. This has by far been the most difficult, longest demo I've ever done. In keeping with the style of the master bathroom, which I just completed, I designed the whole bathroom around this beautiful tile. Like the master bathroom, this will also be a complete gut and remodel. But the master bathroom was designed with a more masculine look. I want to make this bathroom softer and more feminine. You said the pipe,
plumbing.
right?
Yeah, the plumbing,
This is the closet
and there was something else.
on the other side of the bathroom. And okay, that pipe that's missing. That's what we need.
Yeah, well, there's it's a lot of plumbing up under there. The ones that's laying down, the one that's sitting
more. Okay. All right now.
You hear that? My wife, she got that Clint Eastwood sound. That's my wife right there. You know something might be going on. Hey, baby.
There you go. You're ready.
I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
Keisha, this is for you, Keisha. You need a handyman? Do you need him? She got what?
She probably does.
I know you need a handyman. She do, don't she?
Probably.
Ain't no problem. You do, Keisha. Now look, you just give me a call. Okay? You know the number? Give her the number 817-500-674 Dookie. You just call me up. I'm gonna do something good for you.
He gonna fix some things for you.
I'm gonna come over there and fix some stuff for you.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You better get.
It's a multi-talented man.
Motown. And if I can't fix it, I'll sand it. Whatever you dig, woo, like a feather, I feather it down for you. You know, or you could put a cabinet here, a shelf or something like those shelves or something. Make it look good.
Well, we have our mirrors going up, so and, you know, they're quite large.
Them some big mirrors.
They're quite large. Better to see yourself with, my dear.
That's too much seeing. I get out of that bad tub. I ain't trying to see all this. I'm not trying to see all that.
You whatever. You know you fine as wine.
Yeah, if I was back in my 20s, woo, I'd be standing up on the edge of that thing, shaking it up.
Look, making some extra money.
Yeah. They be gathering up at that window.
Oh my God. So my handyman with a plan, he's actually gone working on another job for a little while. So I'm here doing things by myself. I mean, obviously, you know, I have to still keep things moving, and there's still a lot to do. Once, you know, I have another set of hands, you know, I can start working on some of the other things like finishing out this bathroom and the kitchen. So, keep me in your prayers. Okay, so we have the base cabinet for the sink here. Over here we have the leftover butcher block that I was using for the extension to fill in that space. So obviously these two colors here don't work together. I did stain it to see what was going to happen with a color that should have matched this. Of course it didn't. I mean, there's just too much variation in this butcher block to expect for that to happen. So what I'm going to do is I have some paint here. I have a sample paint that I tried to match as closely as I could with this sink here, this base cabinet. And I am going to use that with this dry brush here to see if I can, you know, get an effect that will go well with this. So stay tuned for that. We'll see how it works out. So I ended up using a combination of different paints and stains to achieve this look. It was too much to add to this video, but if you guys would like to see that entire process, I would be happy to do a separate video about that. Just comment below and let me know. Don't forget to visit thereplacementstore.com for your renovation needs. From home improvement tools to the bathroom basics section, you will not be disappointed. This week's feature was used in this design. It is a beautifully framed vintage portrait. You can find it at thereplacementstore.com in the creative wall section or in the description box below. While I've received many views on my videos, I have not received many subscribers. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of the next video, which will be a full-blown kitchen renovation. You do not want to miss that. And I love reading your feedback, so don't forget to comment.
The work that I do, Keisha loves it.
I love it.
Do not forget.
And I love him too.
She loves me. You know why? Don't forget. 817-500-6742 Handyman Services. Make sure your husband ain't there.
Stop it.